Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you, and this one is a nature journal, I would say. So we a little bit botanical as well, maybe. So I've used ARTYmaze's Builder Cluster kit and also the Builder Cluster tag kit. The last design team project, I think I just said Builder Cluster kit, but it was actually Build a Cluster tag kit. So I've used that to make this journal, have added a few extra things in as well, and I'll mention it all as I go through. The journal measures 8 by 5, it has one signature, it has 40 pages front and back. It will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So I've used one of the papers from the Build a Cluster tag kit. I think that's what it's called. I say that, probably just confusing you all, because there is like full sheets of collage paper in that kit. So I've used that for the cover, stitched all around. I had some like scrappy pieces left, so I used that. That is one of ARTYmaze's kits as well. I'm not sure which one. And then here is from the new kit, so I'll just pop that on there. And eyelets and string as a closure, and it turned out rather chunky. I'd done a lot of the envelope flip flappy things and added like ephemera pieces in, like ephemera pages, which is from Bohemian Crafting, again as like flip out pages. So this is the front page, and love that the hint of blue throughout this as well. I really do like blue. I like blue and I like green, so that's my favourite colours at the moment. This is a flip out page. So here I've just used some of the collage pages and made pockets. I built up the tags using pieces from the kit. I will link both the kits below. There's a lot of noise going on outside. I hope you don't hear that. Sounds like the road sweeper, like lorry that's going around. So I've used the tags, I've used like the elements in the Build a Cluster tag kit, and I've used some other pieces. I think they're from the other Build a Cluster kit. Very confusing I am. So I've used them on there as well. Done some stamping. Papers have been coffee dyed. So this is an envelope. I had to trim the envelope down a little bit to make it fit in there, because it would have been sticking out. So I've just got a little label. I think that's one of Tracie's labels. Here is a postcard. Then here we have, with a little flap there, we've got a little tuck. I put in some collage paper there, and that is a tag from the kit. Some of the tags I've left blank, and a lot of them I've decorated. So here, another pocket, another label here, label there. Again, I've used the new kit to build up the tag using the elements. Great fun that was. And again, you can see that's all been stitched around. So that's been attached on this side here, which creates a tuck. This is a freebie from ARTYmaze. I don't know if that is on, I think it might be on her website and the Facebook group. Oops, that's burnt. Little tab on a index card for you to journal on. Some stamping here. This is the old design shop, just been coffee dyed. That goes in there. Some more stamping here. From the new Build a Cluster tag kit, there is lots of different elements. I think this is from the first Build a Cluster kit, and so is the circles and the butterflies from the new one. And I just again built all that up to make a little pocket. We have a tag inside there. Little label there, they're from Tracie's shop. And journal space, this is from Eva's shop, who is Bohemian Crafting. And here we have another tuck, because there's another envelope flip out there. We've got that from the old design shop, that's on Etsy, that's a freebie from ARTYmaze. That flips out like so. Got a little journal card in there, or it could maybe sit there, could it? Let's see, it could if it wanted to, and you could put more stuff in there. Some more stamping here, love that page. Inside there, made a pocket using the elements from the first Build a Cluster kit. Tag here, that's from the new one, so it's 1 and 2 I believe. Whoops, just bent that, doesn't want to go in. Then I just done some stamping on some coffee dyed cardstock and done some corner punching. one of the pages from the new kit, little pockets here. Oh, I'm smashing everything up. Stamping, another build the tag cluster from the cluster kit. This is from the first kit, that's from the first kit. Here we've got a pocket, tags, that is the little specimen label there. Positive quotes and journal cards, I think it is. Then I just built this up with elements from both the kits. That opens up, we have got some ephemera in there, and that pops in there, and obviously that comes right out like so. Got a little label there, done a little bit of stenciling here as well. That flips out that way, label there, little pocket here, index card with a tab, a inventory tag from the old design shop, some stamping, center of the signature. Inside there we've got some tags and little stamped journal cards that I made, and then we've got some of these, which is from one of the oddment kits from ARTYmaze. Little stamped tag there, and some more stamping on that page, and there. This is another flip out page there. So we've got a tuck here, some ephemera, some stenciling here, pockets here, and again I've just built that up with some layering from I think that was a scrap piece from one of ARTYmaze's pages, and this is from one of the builder cluster kits, and this is from the oddment kits. We have a tag there, some more stenciling here, little tag there, then that closes like that and flips opened. We have another index card which has been coffee dyed and inked up, another tag there, little label here. Then I've built this tag up with the elements from the kit, little corner pocket there, some stamping, love the owl, and another page from the kit that flips out, stamping, little journal card, again that could just sit there. Inside here we have a tag and a journal card. Use this as a pocket and then stuck on one of the labels. That is from the number label kit. Then there, that envelope has created a little tuck inventory tag from the old design shop. That is from ARTYmaze's website's freebie. And postcard, Tsunami Rose, little stamped tag, specimen label, little tuck pocket there, another positive quote tag, freebie, little tag there, little circle. Excuse me. Next door burning some wood and I can taste it, it's horrible. Little pocket I've used building up things from the cluster kits, some stamping, whoops, that's the envelope because there's another envelope flip out, some ephemera that is from the old design shop that goes in there. We have another index card you can do some journaling on or decorate, postcard from Tsunami Rose, and another little stamped journal card that I made. Then here, excuse me, another builder tag, builder cluster tag here. So many options you can do, you know, it's just with these like building clusters and things is just, oh, you know, so many different elements to play with. Little label here, this is from some of the collage sheets from the new kit. The tag sits in there, that flips opened. We have a postcard in there from Tsunami Rose. We have a tag from the new builder cluster kit. Little label there from Tracie Fox. And here we have a pocket, some stamping, little label on there, another built up tag from the new kit. Like I said, I will link both the kits below, and that is the back. So that is the journal. Like I said, I will link everything below. If you're interested in this, it will be in my shop. A link to my shop is below as well. There's also a link to my coffee shop where there is some freebies on there as well if you want to take advantage of that. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.